We talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Genshin Impact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Genshin Impact app. Or just click on search. Then here at Genshin Impact, you just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on force stop, click on OK. So then you go to your Play Store, just click here on your Play Store here. So then here you search for Genshin Impact. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by